What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to another video show as well. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're hit the like button, comment down nice in the comment section down below. And let's straight into this video.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
To be showing y'all how to do a little bit of a simple but advanced Christmas intro for your Vlogmas. So let's get straight into this tutorial. I'm going to start off with going back to the app Pastries and looking up Christmas aesthetic wallpapers, Christmas aesthetic background, and finding one that you like and then download it to your photos. So now go to Pixar, press the plus button, get the picture. Going to go to effects and press blur. Then you're going to crop it to 16:9 and save it. So we're still in Pixar and we're going to find photos that we need to cut the background out of for our intro. I use 3, but you can use more than 3. So we're going to click the photo. Then we're going to go to cutout, press select, and then press the person icon so it can kind of cut out correctly. And then we're just going to make sure that all the background is out of it, that we like it to your preference. So I'm going to do the same for the next 3 photos that I do. Same thing. remember to save them. So next we're going to stay in Pixar. We're going to add the bus button, go to the background and pick the plain one that's going to be transparent. We're going to click that picture that we cropped out earlier and blurred out. Now we're going to look up our social media icons. So I did TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I'm looking for a Christmas theme. So I kind of looked up red Snapchat, red Instagram. And I just added them to the background. And I saved that photo. So we have saved it. We're going to go to the app Fonto and click that image that we just saved. And we're going to add our text that says like our social media usernames and stuff on it. And we're actually going to add let's be friends to the side of it. You could add anything like follow me or add my socials. Whatever you want to do to it. Put your own little twist to it. I did use the font.com to find my fonts that I used in this video. It wasn't hard to download, very simple and easy. So save it, and I'm just going to save it as a PNG. It doesn't matter. Now we're going to go to CapCut, and this is what we're going to use to really put this whole video together. So we're going to click on everything that we just made, like all the little clips, not the pictures that we cropped out, but every little clip that has the same Christmas background in it. So now you're going to get your audio. I just screen recorded a video from YouTube and use that. Now we're trimming the song to our liking. So now we're back in the app Fonto. We're going to do plain images and change the color to green to make the green screen effect. And we're just going to put our name on the screen and save that as a PNG. Go back to the app CapCut, add the image that we just saved, go to chroma key, go to the green and turn your intensity all the way up. Now we're going to pick a transition. I don't know which one I picked. I picked something like winding road or something. It's on the screen. Make sure your transitions go along with like the sound that you use. Like if it's a beat and the beat goes out to another beat, make that the transition. Something like that, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So now we're about to add our pictures. I didn't want my pictures to come in at the same time. I kind of wanted to come in like a little bit off, 5 seconds off on each photo. So that's what I'm trying to get it to do right now. I only used 3 pictures, like I said, and then I added a transition. I forgot what it was called, but it's on the screen. The transition was called Distorted Left. So go to Fonto again and do the same thing like we just did for our YouTube channel name, and just put like. And we're also going to do that for the word comment as well. But now we're just trimming the light where we want it to be on beat with, and chroma key it and turn the intensity all the way up. I also did add a transition for the word light. So go to YouTube and look up Christmas green screen subscribe button. Find one that you like and screen record it and save it. So now that you have your recording, go to CapCut and do the green screen chroma key and turn the intensity not all the way up. You probably want to be 76 or something like that. It still shows the green in like the picture, but you can't see it really.
I really don't know
So
what
this is
Christmas
what
is all
the whole
about.
thing looks like.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Who knows? I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.